Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Free Vedic Astrology online classes. Today the subject is predictive astrology. This is our first lecture and my name is Dr. S.P. Bhagat. Starting with Hindu astrology. Hindu astronomy considers solar system with reference to its constituents, the 9 planets, 27 stars or constellations. Out of many luminous bodies sighted in the skies, some are stars, yet some are planets, known as grahas. The stars are known as nakshatras or asterism. Stars have no movements. Planets move through the nakshatras in the zodiac, so called as Bhachakra. Planets do not have the same meaning in the astronomy and astrology. Moon in astronomy reflects light from the sun, but in astrology it has been given the same rank as that of the sun. Rahu and Ketu. Rahu, the dragon's head, and Ketu, the dragon's tail, are just the nodal points in astronomy. In astrology, they are known as shadowy planets, Chaya Grah. They remain exactly 180 degrees apart from each other. Their positions are formed when the moon crosses the ecliptic from northern latitude to southern latitude and vice versa. The zodiac, it is a circle of 360 degrees. So it has no beginning or end. It is just a circle of light. The zodiac is divided into 12 parts measuring 30 degrees each, which is known as Rashi or the zodiac sign. 360 degree divided by 12 gives 30 degree. The 12 equal sections or divisions of the zodiac are known as the zodiac signs. The zodiac are named and numbered as follows, as shown in the chart. Here the serial number always remains the same for the zodiac signs, that is Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. These 12 equal sections or divisions of the zodiac are called the signs of the zodiac and are named and numbered as follows. Please keep a copy and a pen with you and write down this table. Learn this table by heart. Anyhow, it is must. Starting with the serial number. First serial number sign belongs to Aries. That is, serial number 1 is Aries. Number 2 is Taurus and continuous Pisces. Now, the name of the Aries zodiac sign in Hindu astrology is called as Mesha. Taurus, Vrishabha, Gemini as Mithuna, Cancer as Karka, Leo as Sinha or Singh or Singh, Virgo as Kanya, Libra as Tula, Scorpio as Vrishchika, Sagittarius as Dhanu, Capricorn as Makra, Aquarius as Kumbha and Pisces so called Meena. Now the third is Lords. Here Lord is only the planets. Planets are given the lordship of zodiac signs. Remember these signs and remember their lords. Aries has a lord Mars, Taurus has a lord Venus, Gemini has Lord Mercury, Cancer has Moon, Leo has Sun, Virgo has Mercury, Libra has Venus, Scorpio Mars, Sagittarius Jupiter, Capricorn Saturn, Aquarius Saturn, again Pisces Jupiter. Now here how to easily remember this. Every lord except Sun and Moon has two lordship of zodiac signs. In short, Mars has the lordship of Aries and Scorpio, Venus has the lordship of Taurus and Libra, Mercury has the lordship of Gemini and Virgo. Venus I already explained. Jupiter has the lordship of Sagittarius and Pisces, and Saturn has the lordship of Capricorn and Aquarius. Vedic Lord Aries, Mesha, Lord is Mars, and Vedic Lord is Mangala or Mangal. Aries and Scorpio, they have lordship of Mars. Mars belongs to the Lord Mangala or Mangal. Taurus, that is, its lord is Venus, so Venus is ruled by Shukra. Gemini belongs to Mercury, it is under the influence, or its Vedic lord is Buddha. Cancer, that is Kark Rashi, lord is Moon, and the Vedic lord is Chandra. Leo, lord is Sun, and the Vedic lord is Surya. Virgo, its lord is Mercury, Vedic lord is Buddha. So in short, we can also, you can read as the table below. In short, I will say Aries lord is Mangala and the planetary lord is Mars. In Taurus, we will say that Taurus lord is Venus and its Vedic lord is Shukra. In Gemini, we will say that Gemini lord is Mercury and its Vedic lord is Buddha. In Cancer, lord is Moon and Vedic lord is Chandra. Leo, lord is Sun and Vedic lord is Surya, and so on. In the last slide, as we have came to know about the lords and their lordship of each zodiac sign. Further, we will say that the zodiac of 360 degree is divided by 27. That is, 27 is the number of constellations or the stars in the zodiac. While dividing 360 by 27, we receive the answer is 13 degree 20 minutes. Here in short, I will tell you, you have to remember this thoroughly. These two charts have to be remembered by you thoroughly at any cost. Write them down repeatedly but learn them by heart. So here there are total 27 nakshatras. I am going to pronounce them. One is Ashwani, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigshira, Adra, Punarvasu, Pushya, Ashlesha, Magha, Purva, Falguni, Uttara, Falguni, Hasta, Chitra, Swati, Vishakha, Anuradha, Jayeshtha, Mula, Purva Ashadha, Uttara Ashadha, Shravana, Dhanishtha, Satvisha, Purva Bhadrapada, Uttara Bhadrapada, Revati. Now, I have written them in serial wise like Ashwani, Magha, Mula. These three star lord is Ketu. Further, Bharani, Purva Falguni, Pura Ashadha, lord is Venus. Kritika, Uttara Falguni, Uttara Ashadha, lord is Sun. Rohini, Hasta, Shravana, lord is Moon. Mrigshira, Chitra, Dhanishtha, lord is Mars. Adra, Swati, Satvisha, lord is Rahu. Punarvasu, Vishakha, Purva Bhadrapada, lord is Jupiter. Pushya, Anuradha, Uttara Bhadrapada, lord is Saturn. Ashlesha, Jayeshtha, Revati, lord is Mercury. Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis and 365 days 6 hours to go around the sun. Due to Earth's rotation on its axis, we get the phenomenon sunrise and sunset. The revolution of the Earth around the sun gives seasons. Now to make it very simple to understand, I am saying the sun is moving around the Earth and that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Whatever be the sign out of the 12 signs that rises in the east at any particular place and time of an event, maybe that event may be birth of a native or an event, is known as ascendant, lagna, rising sign or uday rashi, that becomes the ascendant. The rate of motion of Earth is 15 degree per hour approximately. For the purpose of deciding birth lagna, that is, it covers 360 degrees in 24 hours. Each sign rises in the east one by one and takes roughly 2 hours duration to pass through the eastern horizon. In this order, the 12 signs take 24 hours, a complete day. Prediction is made on the planetary position in the horoscope. According to their lordship, Karaktattvas rank in the planetary cabinet. All combinations and yugas are formed on the basis of interrelationship between planets, their positions in different signs, nakshatras, mutual distance and position. With this, I end the first lecture of predictive astrology. If you like my videos, please give thumbs up, like and share the video, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe. One more thing, if you want to learn astrology, I have made some videos on general astrology that are a must. If you really want to learn astrology, you should watch them once. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.